Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're doing a budget with me and we got more money than expected. So let's see where we're going with this money, what we're gonna pay, what we're gonna stuff, and what we're gonna spend. Let's budget. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to do a budget with me and we're going to get right into it. But first, I got my nails did, so let's do a quick nail cam. I think it fits me. It's a little lotus flower. I don't know if you guys can see it. Bow chicka wow wow. All right, enough is enough. So let's go ahead and move on in. Let's move you guys in. And we're gonna try to make this one quick because I know my last videos, I was all over the place and talking super slow. So let's get this in camera view. This is on the left-hand side of the page. So I'm trying to make it so that I can write nicely. All right, so this go round, I think I'm too close. Let's back up just a little bit. There we go. So this go around, I think the shadow is like super bad. Let's see what I can do about the shadow. I don't like the shadow. Okay, friend, I'm trying, but we're gonna keep it moving. So this go round, the house we bought in $8,021.19. And then for extra, of course, we have 200, and that brings our total down to $8,221.19. Moving down, these are our May bills, the first part of May, first 2.5 weeks worth of bills. So we have our mortgage, we have Lending Point, which is a loan, we have Capital One, we have 3 cards, so that's why you see ×3. Solar panel, we have I think this one is a credit card for Navy Federal, and we have Vivint, we have Kaimana Pool, line of credit, which is my line of credit, we have Best Buy, SunPass, which is a toll, Duke is our electricity, cable, we have some medical bills, and then I have Pumbaa down here because it's time for him to get groomed. So let's do the fast forward. I'm going to put all the totals down, write it down here, and also we'll see what's remaining. So hold on. Okay, as you see, our total came out to $4,612.98. So let's write that here. By the way, it got brighter because I turned on every single light in my office. And as you see, I've been writing on myself the whole time too. I can't. All right, so let's take our total coming in, which is $8,221.19. Subtract $4,612.98, and we are left with $3,608.21 to be stuffing into our variable expenses, which is our cash envelopes and our sinking funds and extra savings. So let's move on down. We'll move the calculator out the way. Groceries this go around, we're gonna do 400. As usual, wife gas gets 150. Wife's personal gets 100. My beautiful big beast gets $200, and I get $100 for my personal. So adding these up, we don't need the calculator. That's 400, that's 550, 650, 850, 950. So let's take our remaining from our bills and subtract 950. And we're left with $2,658.21. So $2,658.21. All right, let's move it on up. So HOA, we usually get $63. E-Fund this go round, I'm going to do $90. That's which is my emergency fund. Home improvement gets $50. Car maintenance is $20. Allowance is $40. We are putting away in debt snowball, $390. Christmas is going to get $100. Hair, we're going to finish this one out, which is going to be $80. And then our buffer, we always plan for, is $300. Didn't even know I wasn't in frame. All right, I'm not going to add these up in my head. We're going to trust the old calculator. So let's speed it up. Alrighty, so adding that up, here's our total, which is $1,133. $1,133. And let's bring back old reliable. So $2,658.21 was what we were left over after we divvied out the money for our cash envelopes. So now we're going to subtract the $1,133 for our sinking funds, and we are left with $1,525.21. So let's write that here, $1,525.21. Let's move you into frame. That would help. All right, so we are doing a challenge safe with baddies. I think last time I was so tired, I think I looked at it and said love with baddies. So she scratched off for week number 2, the second, I'll bring that into frame, the second square. So I went and scratched it off so I can put it into the budget. And this go around, we have $10 that we're gonna be scratching off. So put that there. And then our 100 envelope challenge, we are going to be doing $514. What? And our extra debt, like I said, we got more money this go round, so we are trying to knock this debt out. Again, I'm not doing a debt confession anytime soon. I'm just trying to like stack the coins, stack the bread, and just, you know, pay it off as I go, because, you know, a lot of mishaps happen, and, you know, things went up and down and sideways, and I just want to stack it up, and then when I come back to you guys, I can, you know, show you all the things that I've done. But yeah, so with extra debt, we're gonna put a cool $1,000 to it. And then I think I have some extra left over, so I'm gonna put that in the $1 jar, which is only $1. So adding all of these up, which I didn't even have to clear that. I mean, it's super easy. So let's see how good I am. The total is $1,525. All right, so I should have known that because I'm trying to zero out my budget, right? Duh. Okay, so with that being said, our remaining, looking at this and looking at that, we would have only 21 cents left. So it's time to do our checks and balances. All right, here's a cool recap. Income, $8,221.19. Our cash envelopes came out to $950. Our sinking funds came out to $1,133, and our savings came out to $1,525, and our debt repay, which I can't remember, it's a big number, $3,608.21. I promise I won't add this time. Here we go. $8,221.19. Subtract $950. Subtract $1,133. Subtract $1,525. Subtract. Oops, see, I was doing so good at the last one. Let's try again. $8,221.19. Subtract $950. Subtract $1,033, subtract $1,525, subtract $3,608.21. What'd I do, y'all? What'd I do? See? All right. 8, 2, 2, 1. I don't look up when I'm putting the numbers in. That's probably what I need to do, right? Did I do it again? Did I click plus? I'm so done with myself. $8,221.19. Subtract 950. Subtract 1133. Subtract 1525. Subtract 360821. What'd I do? I'm missing something, y'all. Something ain't right. Something ain't adding up. What am I forgetting? I know what I'm doing. See? I know what I'm doing. See? It's a shame. I used what the remaining was instead of what the total bill was. See? I know somebody caught it. But you know what? Because we did that, we're going to use a different. See? Me trying to make this go faster and not babble. I still be messing up. But you know what? This is the real, because sometimes people have to redo their budget because stuff is not adding up. So it is what it is. This is literally, sometimes when I do my budget, it used to take me 3 hours to do it because I'm like, this is not adding up. What am I not getting? What am I forgetting? Did I put a, extra penny here or forget an extra penny? But anyway, now it should add up. Let's go. We have $8,221.19. Subtract 950. Subtract 1,133. Subtract 1,525. Subtract 461298. There we go. Go back to the orange. 0.21 cents. And we know we leave that in the bank. All right, you guys. Thank you for rocking with your girl. And I know y'all was hollering at the the screen like, girl, what is you doing, friend? Hello, what is you doing? I got it though. I got it. I figured it out. Thank you. I heard you. Thank you. All right. So till next time, when we get to stuff this money, we're going to be stuffing $3,308 because the $300 for our buffer we keep in the bank. There's no reason to take it out, just to put it back in. So when we count the money, it'll be $3,308 that we're going to be stuffing in our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. And I'm glad that you guys are here with me and stick with me through this whole journey. Until next time, I love you guys. Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it rolling. And all the good things that I say, make sure that you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Share. I'm almost at 300, y'all. I can't believe. I didn't even realize until somebody said, oh, you close to 300. So help me make that happen. I mean, 300 ain't a lot, but it's something. And I love it. So thank you guys. Until next time. See you later. Bye.